In this problem, it is mentioned that an aircraft loops the loop of radius r with a constant, again, it's not velocity, it's a constant speed v. Loop the loop here is a vertical circle. So a flyer takes an aircraft along a vertical circle with constant speed v, and we're asked to find the weight of the flyer if he has a mass m at 3 locations, at the lowermost point and the uppermost point and the middle points of the loop. Okay, so you will have to excuse me for the diagram here. So I'm just representing, let's say this is the aircraft and then you have the flyer here. I mean, seemingly block-like stuff is the, oh sorry, that's the aircraft. And this is the flyer. Now, so at each of these points, the speed of the plane is maintained. Okay, so let's say v is the speed. It is given in the problem. Now, because the aircraft is moving along a circle, the net force acting towards the center of the circle provides the necessary centripetal force. So if I take a look at the lowermost point, what forces are acting on the flyer? So there is normal force. Let's say he is sitting on a seat, so the seat applies a normal force in the upward direction, so which will be towards the center of the circle, and the gravitational force will be in the downward direction. Okay, so the net force towards the center here is normal minus mg, and then that provides the necessary centripetal force, and then that is mass into centripetal acceleration. I think you must be aware that the centripetal acceleration, if a particle is moving along a circle with speed v and the radius of the circle is r, the centripetal acceleration is v square over r. So here if I substitute the acceleration, okay, so the normal force applied by the seat is mg plus mv square over r. Now, so whenever you are asked a question on weight of a person, so we usually take the normal reaction as the apparent weight of the person. Okay, so instead of a seat, so let's say a person were standing on a weighing machine, the weighing machine would provide the normal reaction. Okay, so the normal reaction is considered the apparent weight or just weight. Okay, so when the let's say flyer takes the aircraft till the midpoint here, the gravitational force acts downwards, so it has no component towards the center of the circle. So the normal force provided by the seat helps him, let's say, move around the circle. So in this at this position, the normal force is simply mv square over r. Okay, now at the highest point, both the normal force as well as the gravitational force acts towards the center of the circle. So here the normal force will be smaller than the normal force when the aircraft was at the lowermost position, because even the gravitational force is helping provide the necessary centripetal force. So here if I write down the net force towards the center, which is normal plus mg, so that is mv square over r. So the normal reaction or the weight that is asked in this problem is mv square over r minus mg.